How to upload YouTube Shorts from your Mac, and would you believe it's so easy, easy peasy. Okay, so here we are. You can see my YouTube account. I've only just started to do YouTube Shorts. If you are on the journey as well, then good luck. Yeah, so I was really baffled as to where is the YouTube Shorts function. And I was clicking on shorts and videos, and I was like, so what I ended up finding out is if you were to literally upload like you would normally do a particular video, and making sure it's under 60 seconds, I believe. I'm usually doing about 30 seconds, so that's fine. But under 60 seconds, you should be safe. You might be able to Google that. And if I was to, select a video, YouTube Shorts, I did one here today. Let's go for this one, definitely works. Yeah, this one here. And once it finishes uploading, this will then change to YouTube Shorts. So we're just going to see what it does after it uploads. So as you can see now, it's now changed to YouTube Shorts, which is fantastic. And that tells you that it will be uploaded as an actual YouTube short. So it will appear under your shorts instead of appearing as your normal video selection here. Okay, I hope you found that useful. I do actually offer to everyone here a free listing in the Soul Central directory. It goes out once a month to over 10,000 plus soul searchers, soul seekers, intuitives, manifestors. So if you feel your services will very much match that particular audience, then feel free to like this video, subscribe, and also comment below Soul Central directory, and I'll get you into the next edition. Thanks ever so much for listening, and I'll see you in the next video.